Today I'm going to show you just how quick and easy it is to lengthen that fab vintage frock you scored at the thrift shop from this to this. So let's get started.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
For this quick and easy upsizing project, all you need is your too short vintage dress, seam ripper, and your sewing gear. So your first step is to simply flip the dress inside out and lay it on a flat surface. Then you can really check out just how wide that bottom hem is and how much extra length you'll be getting when you take it down.
Hello, are you enjoying this video? Then why don't you subscribe to the Confessions of a Refashionista channel, follow Sherry on social media, and buy her $3 ebooks. They are packed with fantastic Refashionista tutorials. The link is down below. You can even get a deal with 645 code. That code 645. 645. Okay, you go back and finish the video.
In my experience, vintage dresses from the 50s, 60s, 70s have very generous hems. This one is a full 5 centimeters, so I'll be gaining quite a bit of extra length by simply letting that hem down. So now all you have to do is grab your trusty seam ripper and carefully unpick the threads of the hem. Once you have the entire hemline all unpicked, then it's a good idea just to give it a quick press to get rid of that crease that has probably been there since the dress was made. Now, if your fabric is non-fraying, you could just go ahead and chop off a bit from the edge here just to make sure that it's a little bit neater. Or you can fold it under about a centimeter or less just to give it a nice, fresh, clean hem. Or if you're lucky like I am and your dress came with a matching belt, you can go ahead and stitch that to the bottom of the dress, which will give it a gorgeous new hem, plus add a little bit more length as well. So to add the belt to the bottom of the dress, all I did was pop it together with right sides facing and stitch them with a tight wide zigzag. Then to help the fabric lay flatter, because it is quite a thick brocade polyester, I did the stitch in the ditch technique and zigzagged right over the outside seam, and it lays much flatter. Once again, this is a groovy Refashionista project that came out so much better than I had imagined. And because it kind of has a Star Trek-y vibe to it, I went through my scrappy stash and found this groovy Star Trek phaser patch. So of course it had to be stitched onto the dress as well. For loads more tips, tricks, and rockin' Refashionista tutorials, sustainable lifestyle, articles, ethical fashion tips and tricks, and loads of pre-loved style inspiration, head on over to my Confessions of a Refashionista at awesomesauceashattery.com. And as always, share your fave tutorials and articles with your online circles. Subscribe everywhere, and let's get everyone living a more sustainable, rockin' Refashionista lifestyle. And until next time, I'll catch ya on the zigzag.